Thousands of local children who need the free meals they get at school may lose them. Proposed federal changes to SNAP benefits would impact hundreds of thousands more children across the country. Education reporter Elsa Gillis is live. Elsa, this could be devastating for a lot of families.
Allison, it absolutely could. I do want to stress that right now this is just a proposal, but I've learned it could have a serious impact on families in our community already struggling.
4,200 children. That's the estimated number of kids just in Mecklenburg County who could lose their free school lunches under proposed changes to SNAP benefits.
We don't know the exact numbers. We don't know when this is going to pass or if this will pass. But what it will do is it will add an additional burden for many families who are currently struggling already.
That's Mencius Ari, the Deputy Department Director with Mecklenburg County's Department of Social Services. Right now, if a family gets SNAP or food stamps, the children are automatically enrolled in a federal program that gives them free breakfast and lunch at school. But the USDA wants to raise the requirement for food stamps to fix what they call a loophole that has expanded SNAP benefits to include people who receive assistance when they don't need it. Ari says the eligibility level was raised during the recession, and this change calls to lower that.
The people who are receiving the benefit right now, that free lunch, that could lose it, are these people that can pay for it?
Ostensibly, there are people who can pay for it, but the eligibility limits that they've raised it to during the recession time, it's still for people who are considered living in poverty. So it's still going to be tough.
So he says this would impact people still struggling, especially as our community grapples with an affordable housing crisis and upward mobility issues. Residents today told us they're concerned.
A lot of those kids, that's their only meal. So they look forward to going to school to get that free or reduced breakfast or lunch. So I definitely think it's going to hurt a lot more families than help.
Now, Ari says they don't want to alarm people. Again, this is a proposal. Those are preliminary numbers, but it is good that this is on the community's radar. Now, if the change goes through, he suggests families contact their child's school to see if they're still eligible. Allison.
Just a stress for a lot of parents to worry about. Thank you, Elsa.